Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So students, today we will discuss
Format of report and then some important samples of report. What is format of report? रिपोर्ट का फॉर्मेट क्या है और रिपोर्ट को कैसे राइट करते हैं? Let's understand. First of all, make a rectangular box like this. Then leave one line at the top for good presentation. Then write organization name, means school name. Write that name which is mentioned in the question. वही नाम राइट करना है जो कि क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट मेंशन देन राइट आउट ऑफ योर माइंड. अगर एक्टिविटी स्कूल में हो रही है तभी आपको स्कूल नेम राइट करना है, मीन्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेम राइट करना है. देन राइट हेडिंग और टाइटल. आफ्टर राइटिंग हेडिंग और टाइटल देन राइट अ रिपोर्ट. आफ्टर राइटिंग अ रिपोर्ट राइट कंटेंट, and after completion of content write report prepared by, then write name which is mentioned in the question. If it is not mentioned then write out of your mind. Then write designation. Designation means like student, captain, vice captain, head boy, head girl, but write according to question. If you are writing about any process, person, place or thing, then make a box and write only heading and content. Let's take some important samples of report. So first of all we will read question. Question 1. Describe the process of making a cup of tea in about 80 to 100 words. This is most important question. So this question is about the tea making process. If your question is about the process, then write only heading and content. So first of all we will make a rectangular box. Then write appropriate heading like how to prepare tea. Then write content, but your content should be impressive like almost everybody can make tea, but very few can make really good tea. It is an art to prepare good tea. Take a pan and put some water in it. Put the pan on a stove and let the water boil for some time. In the meantime, take a kettle and wash it with hot water. Then put tea leaves into the kettle. Put 1 teaspoonful of leaves for each cup. Add some more leaves if you want strong tea. Now pour into the kettle boiling water. Put the lid on the kettle. Put 1 teaspoonful of sugar also into the kettle. Wait for 2 or 3 minutes. It will give a very good color. Now the tea is ready. Pour it into cups. One can add milk and sugar according to one's taste. Tea prepared in this way is very tasty. It refreshes our mind and body. This method requires some patience and time. Next report. First of all write title like limited over cricket match. Then write a report. Then write content. A limited over cricket match was played between our school and Government Senior Secondary School, Kothipura. Each team played 40 overs. The match started at 10 am. We won the toss. We decided to bat first. Mohan and Gopal were our openers. Mohan made 30 runs and was out. The next 4 players made 60 runs. Our team was all out for 150 runs. Government school had good openers. They made 60 runs. Their third batsman was a hitter. He made 30 runs. Our captain used Mohan as a bowler. He bowled very fast. The players of government school were in trouble. Soon they got out. They could make only 130 runs. We won the match by 20 runs. It was really an interesting match. Then write report prepared by, then write name like Jaidev Chawla, then write designation like sports secretary. Question 3. Last week you attended a seminar on the importance of blood donation organized by the Red Cross Society of India. Write a factual report of the same in not more than 80 words. This is important question. So first of all, write heading like this: importance of blood donation. Then write a report. Then write content like this: a seminar on the importance of blood donation was organized by the Red Cross Society of India. All the speakers underlined the importance of donating blood for the cause of humanity. Blood donation was ranked as the highest form of service to humanity and the best form of worship. A blood donor, it was pointed out, loses nothing in terms of money or health, but he earns unbounded blessings of God and the donee. Impressed by the views expressed by the speakers, many of the audience pledged to donate blood at least once a year. Then write report prepared by, and then write name like Ravinder Ahuja. Question 4. Your father took you to the new school. Describe your first day at school. This is most important question. इस क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ आपको फर्स्ट डे को डिस्क्राइब करना है और ये पास्ट इवेंट है, सो ये पास्ट में होगा. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन नो नीड टू राइट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेम और ना ही आपको अ रिपोर्ट राइट करना है. यू विल गिव द हेडिंग ओनली एंड द कंटेंट. देन हेडिंग विल बी लाइक दिस: माय फर्स्ट डे एट द न्यू स्कूल. देन राइट कंटेंट: दिस ईयर माय फादर सेंट मी टू अ न्यू स्कूल. ऑन द फर्स्ट डे he took me there with him. The building was very small. We went to the principal's office. He gave us an admission form. My father filled it and the principal put his yes on it. Then we went to the class teacher. My father deposited the fees with him. I was given a seat in the classroom. There were about 40 boys and girls in this class. I made friends with all of them. We studied in the class till the recess period. During the interval, we played in the school compound. Again, there was a bell and we came back to our classroom. The final bell went at 2 p.m. I came back home. I told my mother about my new school. Though it is not a big school, I have liked it very much. Question 5. Work is worship. Discuss in about 100 words. This is most important question. Heading: Work is worship. Then write content like this: the best form of worship is doing one's duty honestly and sincerely. Work is worship is a very apt saying. It holds good in all the religions of the world. There is no true religion that places formal worship above work. The best service to God is to make His world a better place to live in. It is possible only if all men perform their allotted work honestly. All great men of the world have underlined the importance of work in life. Rest is rust. God helps those who help themselves. Hard work is the key to success. We live in deeds, not in years. All these proverbs express the same idea. All work, however humble, is honorable. Work gives dignity to life. Life without work is like a body without soul. God does not live in temples, nor can he be pleased by chanting hymns and telling weeds. God lives in any place where the workers work, and he can be pleased if we join hands with such workers.
That's all for this session.
For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.
See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.